In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out a dishwasher and put in a new one. So the very first thing to do is to turn off your breaker. And then under your sink, you're going to turn off the supply line, which is the one I'm pointing to right here. Just be sure that you get it all the way off. There'll still be some water in the lines when you go to do the work, but we can deal with that after. So underneath the dishwasher is this little panel. And I had already started this, but it's usually going to be a Phillips head screwdriver, or you might need a small socket. But either way, it's pretty easy to take off, just a couple screws. You lift it out of the way and you'll be able to access everything. So the electrical is under here, the plumbing lines. So this is the electrical box right here that I'm pointing to. And this one here is the supply line. So that's the supply of hot water to the dishwasher. And these are the screws right here underneath the counter at the top of the dishwasher. And those hold the dishwasher in. You may also have some screws underneath, but it's not very common from my experience. Generally, you just need to take those two screws out, and then, as you can see, it's loose. So this is me taking the electrical box off. You just take that screw out, and inside you'll see the wires. There's really two different types here. You can have this type, which is what's called a hardwired. So you can see that white wire coming in from the back. And this dishwasher is hardwired to the house. The other type is that you could have an actual plug, like a 3-pronged plug, depending on where you live in the world, that comes out of this box. So you need to figure out what you have going on behind your dishwasher. But before you can do that, you have to kind of take it all out and look at it. So if you have a plug back there, then you'll want a dishwasher that has a plug-in type, or to install a plug. And if you have the hardwired type, then you would just rewire it exactly in reverse to what you just did. So this is me just showing a quick video of trying to get to the supply line while it's in place. And it's not particularly simple. So what I've done is I pulled it out, and it'll give you access to the side of the dishwasher. So you can take the electrical off, but leave the supply line on and just pull it until you get a bit of tension on it, and you'll be able to access it from the side. So I'll move the camera down so you can see. And there's the supply line. Actually, if you look to the left there, the very left of the screen, you can sort of see that's actually where the water goes out of the dishwasher. So we'll touch on that in a minute, but I just wanted you to see where that is. So, put a towel down, put something down, because in the line is going to be just a little bit of water. You'll get some drips out of this. If you can fit a little bowl under there, then do that. So this is the line where the water goes out of the dishwasher, and you can see just to the left of my hand there, the little bowl's full of water. Don't do what I did. Put a little bowl there to catch all the water when it comes out. If it's not a lot of water, it's maybe a cup or two, something like that. Or you may have no water at all, but in my case, I had some water. So just throw a towel down or get a small bowl, which is what I do here in a second. I just grab one of our many IKEA bowls, and it'll catch the remaining water. So just let that drip for a while, and you're basically done. That's it. That's the whole taking the dishwasher out thing. Just slide it out of the way. So this is the new dishwasher. I've set it on its back in the other room, and I'm going to take this the line that goes out of the dishwasher to the sink off, and we're just going to connect the existing one to it. So in my case, I needed a small adapter. This is a 3/4 to 3/8 adapter. You can see this dishwasher actually uses it's like a 3/4, almost like a garden hose style attachment. And that doesn't work for me because when I was taking mine out, I had it's called a 3/8 connection. So you just take this one off, and I got an adapter at just local hardware store. It was about $10, and it adapts from that 3/4 size to the 3/8 size that I need. So you just tighten this on. It's got a rubber gasket in it. It doesn't need to really be any tighter than hand tight, depending on how strong your hands are. If you can't get it very tight, then just grab it with a big set of pliers, and that should take care of it. But you don't want to over tighten it is really the point, because that you can see what I'm screwing it into there. It's plastic, so you don't want to kind of break that off. So use your judgment here, but tight is good, too tight is bad. Now we're ready. That's all the connections we need. We just need to slide it into place. So this new dishwasher actually had a plug style in it, so I did a little bit of prep work off screen to put in a plug. And we're just going to slide it into place. So that's me confirming that the green lights came on. So we're just going to do everything in reverse now. We're going to put that exhaust hose back on, and I'm going to tighten it up. It'll be the first one to go on because in my case it's the shortest hose. So I'll touch that one, slide the dishwasher back a little bit, attach it, and then I'll need to slide the dishwasher back again, just a little bit into the opening so that I can connect the water line, and that'll be the next one. So it's always the case that you want to put something like this that's threaded, you want to put it on by hand first and get it in position. If you try and put this on with a wrench right away, you could cross thread it. In this case, if you did cross thread it, you could just get a new adapter, so it could be a $10 mistake, but in other applications it could be a bigger problem. So it's good advice to start these things by hand. Here, I'm just going to slide it into place, put those screws back in, and I mean that's basically the whole job. It's maybe seems a little more daunting than it is. And then close her up, and that's it. And it works great. It's a good dishwasher. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.